Hello, GL101 here with the ladybird. Ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Your house is aflame and your children have flown. Or words to that effect. It's not true, ladybird, don't worry. You're absolutely fine, love. Absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about. Where have you gone? Oh God. Oh. Oh. Here's another one. She's sleeping. She's come back. There we are. Hey. There she is, wandering about amongst the flowers. Oh, ladybird. What are you up to? You interesting bug. GL101. Over. And let me just find her.